In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some hacks, or maybe I can say the way I use these push lights from the Dollar Tree. They also have a version where there's a remote to control the light on and off. This is in the plus section, and they have some for $3 and $5. These are just simple ways to add some nice lights for some ambiance in your home. Getting started with the first hack. Now, I always see these cute little floral decor pieces in the Dollar Tree. They have many versions of these, and I'm telling you, this is so simple and cute, but I'm just sharing with you a way that I style these along with these push lights. So I've already added the batteries that's needed to the lights, and I'm adding some glue to the back. I removed the little paper sticker, and I did add some glue and just placed it right on the back of that decor piece. And I'm going to repeat that step and do it to the second one. So I really just went around it with some hot glue. The first one I went in the middle, and it's not needed because it only connects because of the way that the floral is shaped. Now, once I get that done, I do want to put these on a little stand. So I have this pack of these wood slices, and these are the ornament ones with the little jute cord that I'm going to put to the side. You can find any little piece of scrap wood or anything you want to use to create a base. I wanted to put these on a base so that they can stand really independently. And I'm telling you, these are so adorable. So I'm just finding placement where it's going to connect, and I'm going to add glue in that section only. You can use a different glue, but I am using the Gorilla Glue sticks, or you can use some wood glue for this project. So I'm going to repeat the step, and I'm going to add some glue to the other decor piece, place this down on the wood slice, and I'm telling you, these are so adorable. They're great for little shelf sitters, for little nightstands. They just bring so much ambiance with the little night light, and I absolutely love how they turn out. And here they are, and they look even better if you turn the light out. I absolutely love these. Such a simple way to use these puck lights from the Dollar Tree. Another cute hack is getting one of these little wood boxes from the Dollar Tree, and you can paint these. And then I have 4 of these little wood pallets. These are always in the crafter square section of the Dollar Tree. I've already added one, but I'm going to show you. I'm just adding some hot glue, and once again, you can use some wood glue or some stronger glue. I am using the Gorilla Glue stick, and everything works out. So I'm adding the glue to the wood plank that's holding them together, and I'm going to line it up from the bottom of the plank, as you can see, because I want to have a little bit of the plank hanging over. As you can see, I hope you can see what I'm doing and understand. I may not be explaining it correctly, but as you can see, I'm just lining it up with a piece that holds the little plank pieces together. And this box, this is the smallest version of this box in the crafter square section, and it fit perfect for these planks. So if you recreate this, all you have to do is make sure you get the smallest version and just grab one of these planks and make sure it lines up, because the smaller box lines up perfect for these wood planks. And so I'm going to add the third one, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit, and I'm lining it up where it's even all the way around. And so now I'm going to go in with the last plank and add it. You can push it together and kind of glue the sides together, but I didn't do that. That wasn't needed. I don't mind the little spaces because it fits so perfect. I really didn't need to glue anything else together except for the pieces to the bottom. Now you can style this with the light glue to the top, so you can have it this way, but I am going to style it the other way, and all I'm going to do is pop that light in there. I already added the batteries. I'm going to add it to a shelf, and I absolutely love that I can control this with the remote. Budget friendly, and it looks really great as a nice light for some ambiance in my home. This hack may be my favorite because I always see the most beautiful little canvas art on these wood frames. I'm just removing this little hanging piece because I do keep these and use these for future DIYs when I'm creating signs. And so I absolutely love this picture, and they have so many different options. And here's a little wood, scrap wood piece that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, but they have so many options in the Dollar Tree that you can use for a base. I just thought this was perfect size and everything. So I do want to add something to the bottom since it's like unfinished wood at the bottom, and so I'm just going to cut a piece of this little cork sheet from the Dollar Tree. This part is not necessary, but I just don't want any of the shelves or anything to get scraped up, so that's why I added that piece, as you can see. Now all I'm going to do is add some glue along the side, and I'm going to line this up on the back of the little canvas frame. As you can see, I'm just placing it down, and I am going to take a tumbling tower block to place it right where those two connect, just for some extra security. And I'm just pushing that up. As you can see, it's just a little tumbling tower block, also from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to make sure that it connects, and I want to make sure that my canvas frame is straight. So that's what you see me doing, just making sure that I have everything lined up. And then I am going to hot glue the little puck light to the bottom of the wood piece. And I think this is such a cute little way to use these little puck lights to create some decor. As I mentioned, I love to have a little ambiance in the house, and how adorable is this light? And the Dollar Tree have so many different frames that you can choose from. So from the Dollar Tree, I have one of those little lemon tassels, and they have right now different kind of little few tassels. I'm just adding some glue to the front of that puck light because it doesn't get hot. It's you can add something to the front of it. As you can see, I added the little lemon. My kitchen is lemon, so that's why I chose this. And then I got this pack of these little socket covers, and you can get those on Amazon just for a few bucks. And I am going to peel off this backing, and you can use some hot glue to attach the little socket cover, but it will adhere to the little sticking backing. And that is it. I'm going to add this to one of my sockets because I do like my sockets to be covered, and because I put the little lemon over it, the light turned to yellow, and all I do is push it. And how cute is this little kitchen night light?